Good day, everyone. So today I'm going to discuss about the biomolecules, nucleic acids. So our objective for today is to recognize the major categories of biomolecules, such as nucleic acids, describe the structure of the nucleic acids as biomolecules, and recognize the importance of nucleic acids in our daily lives. So the fundamental biological molecule natin, so dito sa apat na macromolecule, so we have nucleic acid. Okay, aside from protein, carbohydrate, and lipids, we have nucleic acids. So biomolecules as nucleic acids. So ano ba yung nucleic acids? So ang nucleic acids, nagko-compose ito ng carbon, element, hydrogen, oxygen, phosphorus, nitrogen, and sulfur. Also, it is a naturally occurring chemical compound that is capable of being broken down to yield phosphoric acid, sugar, and a mixture of organic bases such as purines and pyrimidines. So the nucleic acid, the main information carrying molecules of the cell. Okay? Laging tatandaan, it is a carrying information molecules of the cell. And what is that? The genes, okay? The DNA. The DNA carrying information na kung saan nakalagay yung ating mga characteristics na meron tayo. It is the directing the process of the protein synthesis. We all know, bago maging protein, nag-start to sa DNA to RNA to protein. And also, it determines the inherited characteristics of every living thing. Alam naman natin ng nucleic acid ay nandito sa bumubuo sa ating DNA at sa ating RNA at dito nakalagay ang genetic material and also our genetic information. Anong kulay ng buhok mo, ano ang kulay ng mata mo, okay? Kailan ka magkakasakit, kung may sakit, tapos kailan ka dito rin nakalagay, ano yung shape ng mukha mo, ng mata mo, ganyan. So there are two main classes of nucleic acids. We have the DNA and we have RNA. We have the deoxyribonucleic acid and RNA ribonucleic acid. Kaya nga siya, nucleic acid. So the monomer, okay? So meron tayo tinatawag na monomer. The monomer of nucleic acid is what we call nucleotide. Because nucleotide are composed of phosphate group, dito yun. Okay? We have the pentose sugar and we have the nitrogenous base pair. When we say nitrogenous base pair, so ito yung apat. We have the adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. And uracil kapag nasa RNA na siya. So now let us see the comparison. So ano ba ang nitrogenous base pair? So sa DNA only, yan, meron ng DNA. Ang DNA meron siyang thymine, meron din siyang adenine, guanine, and cytosine. Si DNA, the nitrogenous base pair. And RNA naman, ang meron siya ay uracil. Okay? Kasi nga, nagpapalit si thymine and pinapalitan ni uracil si thymine during kapag nag-transcript na tayo ng mga codes. For the sugar phosphate, lagi natin sasabi, DNA, meron siyang deoxyribose. Tatandaan nyo na, deoxyribose, DNA. Yan yung kanyang sugar. Then, ang sugar naman ng RNA natin ay ribose lang. Wala siyang deoxy, kaya ribonucleic acid. And ang phosphate, at parehas silang may phosphate. Again, what are the three parts of nucleotide? Nitrogenous base pair, sugar, and phosphate. So, remember that the nitrogenous base plus sugar, ang tawag natin dun ay nucleoside. Then, ang tawag naman natin sa nitrogenous base plus sugar plus phosphate group ay nucleotide. Okay? So, example, this one. Ito yung tinatawag natin na ito. And ito. So, this is the nucleoside. Pag ito lang, ito yung tinatawag natin phosphate group. Okay? And ito. Ito yung tinatawag natin phosphate group and sugar. So, tawag natin yung nucleoside. Itong black. Pero kapag nucleotide na, meron na tayong black. Tapos kasama na natin ito. Okay? Yung may nitrogen. Kasama na to. Nucleotide na yan. So, did you know, stretching and joining together from end to end, the DNA molecules of all the cells in the human body would have a length of 100 times the distance of the sun. So, ganun po siya kahaba. So, now let's have the summary. So, what is the function of nucleic acid? It is for genetic material and blueprint of information. So, what are the examples? DNA and RNA, the genetic material. Again, it is carrying genetic information, ang ating nucleic acid. Santong foods, cells, must construct from other molecules. So some organelle inside the nucleus, so that's the eukaryotes, and free floating, yeah, and the prokaryotes. And meron din tayo sa mga cytoplasm, yes, inside the nucleus. What is the monomer of nucleic acid? Nucleotide. And what is the polymer? DNA and RNA or nucleic acids. Okay, so that's all. Thank you for listening.